We got a bag of goodies. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, it's my apple cider vinegar. I'm excited to show you guys what I got. You guys. Yes, I'm in the bathroom filming right now because, yeah, the best lighting is in here, so I wanted to come in here and film because the rest of the hotel didn't have any good lighting. So I wanted to show you guys. I just got back from Bonus, which is the Iceland major main supermarket. There's one right next to my hotel, so I was in there, and while I was in there, I went in there to buy some water and some apple cider vinegar because I take apple cider vinegar every day, and I just ran out of my last one, so I'm very excited to know that they had the exact one that I take. Anyways, while I was in there, everyone was crowded around the Icelandic chocolates and candy and snacks, and everyone was getting them. Like the foreigners, there's a lot of people here from Scandinavia and like other parts of Europe, and they were all buying up the chocolate. So I was like, yeah, I need to try it. So I was like, it'd be really cool to do a video of all the little candies and stuff I found. To try them out for you guys and just do a little fun little video. So keep on watching. Okay. So the first one, you're gonna be surprised. But where does it say they're made? This, I don't know, but basically I see everyone eating these. Like, I've seen several Icelandic people eating these exact flaming hot twisted Cheeto things. Yeah, I know Cheetos are American, but they don't have these in America. These are specifically, it says the UK. It says, yeah, it says Ireland, made in Ireland. So I'm gonna try them because they must be onto something. And I've actually never had flaming hot Cheetos. And I don't like Cheetos. To me, I don't like snacks. I'm a very meal person. I want a meal. I want a nice piece of salmon or something. I don't like snacks. If they're huge, okay, and they're flaming hot, so let's try. Those are delicious. Wow, those are delicious. I'm looking at the ingredients. Wow, those are delicious. Okay, I wouldn't consider them hot at all. I don't taste anything hot. They're like sweet with a little kick. Oh, and they're delicious. Oh my goodness. Those are really good. I wouldn't call them flaming hot at all. They're sweet, if anything, and they have a little kick to them. Those are delicious. They taste like fluffy Cheeto with a tangy thing going on, if that makes sense. But I get why the Icelandic are into those. What we got in here was prawn. Oh, okay, this side is English. Prawn. Icelandic milk chocolate wafers. Goodies from Gau, which is, I guess, a part of... I learned in Iceland that thank you is tak tak and goodbye is bless bless. When you buy something and you leave, they're like, bless bless. I was like, so does that mean goodbye? They're like, yeah. I was like, how cute is that? Goodbye is bless bless. And, so anyways, tak tak. They have a lot of double words. So anyways, this is Icelandic milk chocolate wafers. Tastes like a milk chocolate wafer. That's what it tastes like. I need some water to wash this down. Let me tell you something. Iceland has the best water. The Icelandic water, this stuff, I buy like 3 of these a day and drink them. Which I do anyways, but it's just so much, it's so crisp, and the taste, it's from the glacier, so it's just like the most pure water in the world. I was about to show. Okay, these bad boys. These bad boys right here. I cannot read them. How long look? Okay, so I know that the last part means licorice. Okay, that's what it's called. Raspberry licorice flavor foam, and it's shaped like this for some odd reason. No. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna try are these Yeah, I have no idea, but it looks good. These look promising. Don't know what it's called. Now I'm gonna try and pronounce that chocolate thing with a marshmallow inside. Okay. Yeah, it's a marshmallow texture with chocolate on the outside. But it's not. So this apparently is the most. This apparently is the most popular chocolate in Iceland, but it's from Finland, but it's popular in Iceland. That makes sense. It's a product of Finland, but it's like the most popular chocolate in Iceland. And I already know about it. Sorry, if I'm wheezing, it's because I just got off of a horse ride and I'm allergic to horses. So when I'm riding the horse, I'm like, can't breathe. I don't know why I do that to myself, but yeah, I've always been allergic to horses and I still ride them. I don't care. But if it's why I'm breathing so heavily to get air in, you know. Okay, so it's a wafer covered in chocolate. That one's really nice. This would be good if you're taking a hike or something. If you're on a hike and you need a good snack, that's pretty good. Okay. Next, we got a drummer. Don't know what that means. Can't read it. Okay, milk chocolate with salty licorice. Here we go. But this, everything is salty licorice. Here. Oh, okay, I get it. So, like, literally, it's like a chocolate bar with a, like, stick of licorice just sitting right in the middle. Can you see that? Oh, they're the YouTuber. The old school YouTuber thing. And then on the front, they have, like, little dogs, cats, I don't know. Let's try a middle piece. Oh, so look. Literally, there's, like, licorice. Oh. I'm scared to taste this. Okay, let's. I'm so sorry. Icelandic people. Oh, starting to get a headache. Oh. Okay. Next, oh, here we go. I think this is another licorice and chocolate bar. It says something about Apollo. Apollo licorice. Okay. I had to compose myself because of all the chocolate. It's getting to my brain cells. I don't usually eat this much sugar. That's okay. That's why I went and got my apple cider vinegar, because I'm literally gonna take a shot right when I'm done. I should have taken one before. That's the whole point. Hey Siri, how do you say licorice in Icelandic?
I can't translate into Icelandic yet.
Girlfriend. Really?
I'm not sure who that is.
No.
What's your girlfriend's name?
Anyways. But, getting a headache. Okay. Let's see, another licorice situation. Yep, see, you can see the licorice right in the back. I'm just now discovering I don't like licorice. I never had it before today. Oh, this big piece. It's like sitting right there. It's just like the last one. And inside there's this salty stuff. Like, I can't describe it. But inside the licorice there's like this really salty something that I don't like. Alright. Boom. We got this one. Prawn. Rizza prawn. I guess that's how you say it. Icelandic milk chocolate wafer. Okay, they love a wafer. I've learned that. They love a wafer. It tastes just like this one. And then, whoops. It's the same thing. It's a large size. Okay. We got Twitlar. Where is this made? This is made in Reykjavik, where I am right now. Reykjavik, I learned, means Smoky Bay, because the Norwegian Vikings discovered Iceland one day. Yeah, Vikings came from Norway and discovered Iceland, and when they came here, they said all they saw was a bunch of smoke. I was about to say the geishas. I just came from Japan. The geysers, you know, and how there's like, you know, the geothermal pools underground. Yeah, they saw a bunch of smoke from the ground. So they named it Reykjavik, which means Smoky Bay. The capital. Anyways, this is from Made in Reykjavik. And there's 313 calories for every 100 grams. Okay. Oh, they're little gummies. All different colors. I got a purple one, a green one, and... Okay, keep getting purple and green. Oh, a yellow one. Let's try. Oh. Little people. Which I never eat candy. Oh, this is just a soft licorice. Okay, let's try straight up licorice because I never really had it. Okay, straight up licorice. Let's try. I don't like licorice. I tried every licorice too. I think. Maybe not. I don't like it. I don't like. Here's the last thing. We've got Oat King chocolate, caramel, citrification oat cake, which is also, oats are very popular here. There's oat everything everywhere. So this is an oat cake with chocolate on top. I found this as I was ringing up. It was just sitting there, you know? When you're ringing up and they have the extra snacks hanging there. Okay. So it looks like this. There's white chocolate is my favorite. White chocolate is my favorite kind of chocolate. I love it. It's my fave. The white chocolate chips, caramel, and oat. Ooh. It's disgusting. Okay, the best ones were the prawns. Taste like really good milk chocolate wafers. I mean, same with this. Tastes like a wafer covered in the milk chocolate. The gummies taste like gummies. I mean, close your eyes, put any gummy in your mouth, it tastes like this. It tastes like fruity gummies. This was not even gonna talk. It was torture. And these bad boys, they were so good. You know what? I don't even think they sell these in the US. I really don't. I have to sneeze. Wow. There's this guy on Instagram that cracks me up, and he like imitates. He was imitating like girls that don't even have a fiance who plan their wedding. And like they'll like he's imitating these girls. He has like a scarf on his head to imitate hair. No, he had a towel on his head to imitate hair. And he's like eating a salad, and he's doing this.
Oh my gosh, so cute. I gotta add this to my Pinterest wedding album. Oh, these flowers are nice. We're definitely doing dandelions. And
I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but it cracks me up like this. You're like, okay. Eating a salad, and he's like planning a wedding, and he's like, girls who don't even have a fiance and they plan their wedding, like they'll be on their computer like, okay, I think I want the dandelions. Okay, should my bridesmaids be in purple or earth tones? And he's eating a salad like, so like every time I eat something I try and do it like him. I don't know if I'm making any sense. I have a headache. I need a shot of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps a lot with your blood sugar. Again, I'm not diabetic, but the human body is not supposed to have that much sugar. You know what I'm saying? So when you do have a lot of sugar, you can really get a glucose spike, which is bad for you. So I take, yeah, it says perfect taken 3 times a day. It even has it on here. I don't take it 3 times a day. I take it like 2 times a day. Oh shit. I've got the cup. Let's do that much. Apple cider vinegar is so healthy, you guys. It's so good for you. I'm done with all these snacks, but it does hurt going down. I should have taken this before I did the sugar. It's even like, it's so strong. This will be good too because I'm having like an allergic reaction.